Team Creator Design, guys. Welcome back to another What's Up Wednesday. I've had a long day. I'm tired, but before I wind down this evening, I wanted to bring you guys another short, quick organizational and DIY video. This one is targeted for my ladies. So guys, I'm gonna jump right into the video. I hope everybody had an awesome Valentine's Day. I did, got a lot of rest, a little R&R, so that was perfect. So jumping into the video, today's video is going to be about storing units. So ladies, we all know we have bad hair days. Some days we just want to rock a unit. So I'm going to talk about a few ways, actually 3 ways we can store units. So ladies, if you are somebody who normally wears your natural hair, you may not have a lot of units. You may not actually wear units at all. But if you do wear units and you only have a few units, the easiest way to store them so they're readily accessible, you can keep them styled, curled, and ready to go, of course, is what comes to mind first, which is, sorry guys, which is just a mannequin's head. So you can get these for about $3 to $4 at your local beauty supply store. I will also post a link down below for some that I found at a reasonable price through Amazon. So I'll post those. But if you take a unit to your stylist, get it styled, you can put them on here. They'll stay curled. If you have an event to go to, something pops up, you need to look nice, they're ready to go. So of course, that's the typical way to store your unit, and it keeps it curled. The other thing is, ladies, if you are like me, I am one of those ladies that loves to rock a unit, likes versatility, has several units, and as you see different things, your supply grows and grows and grows. So I had to figure out something, because I found myself just tossing my units in my closet, tossing them in I had the little 3-tier plastic storage bin, and I was just throwing them in the drawers there and closing them up. Well, what was actually happening, ladies, what I found myself doing was throwing them in that drawer, and they became tangled. Especially if you have a synthetic unit, you cannot store it that way because they already matte. You're not going to get a lot of use out of it. So I originally started doing something that I thought was neat. Guys, I don't know if you shop like I do, but I always shop online. And so I was getting these Shein bags. And so what I started doing was actually just keeping my units brushed out really well when I was done with them. I keep my bags now, and then I just drop these in for actual storage. Works really, really well. And I found these, sorry I keep walking out of camera, but I found these clips, guys. And so I'm gonna zoom in so you can see. So these are little clips that I found from Amazon, and they came, guys, it's been a minute since I ordered these, so don't hold me to it, but I think it was like 10 to 15 in a pack for maybe under $10, but I will post the link down below. So you see that clip there, and so what I do with this, just drop it in the bag, I put it on my clip. You can clip them and line them up in your closet, so it works perfect. If you have a small closet, you don't have a lot of closet space, but then you do find yourself with like a armoire or a clothing cabinet or any type of under cabinet space, you can always use a tension rod, like a curtain rod, shower curtain rod, depending on the size of your space, but most tension rods are adjustable. And then just hook these across, and you can label them, and they do extremely, extremely well. The other thing, guys, is I wanted to jump right in. Some of my units, I actually think I'm going to start storing this way. Oops, sorry guys. So some of my units, I think I'm going to start storing. I came up with this idea to put my units in I don't know if you guys can see this, but I hooked it on the door. It's a over the door shoe bag, so that my units can be very easily accessible. And so the pockets are fairly decent size. But if you brush your unit out, if you've ordered a human hair unit, you wash it, you deep condition it, you can take your unit and fold it with a twisty tie. Put not a twisty tie, guys, I shouldn't say that. I've lost my words, guys, but I'm talking about the little black ties that we put our hair up in a ponytail with. And of course, at this point, here they go, guys. Sorry, I told you guys I'm tired, but I brought them in. So just a little bungee that we put on our hair when we put our hair up in a ponytail. But you can put it over it one time, and you can actually just take your unit and drop it in the pocket of this storage bag. Now, one thing I do recommend, if you're going to store them either way, I always try to, well, I do now. I didn't always, but I do now. I try to keep my stock card. So if you keep your stock card, tells you how to care for your unit, you have it, and then you can take your stock card as well and stick it in the pocket of that unit. Let's try to come open on you guys. So you can stick it in the pocket of that unit, and it lets you know exactly when you're getting ready to go out, have a good time, baby shower, bridal shower, whatever look you want for that day. You have your stock card. You know exactly what unit to pull. You're not pulling units like I do, because I'm pulling units like, which one is this? Oh, I forgot I had this unit. So this is something that is very, very visible. Lets you know exactly what you have, what to choose from, keeps them from tangling, keeps your synthetic hair from matting, keeps your expensive units that you've paid a lot of money and invested in, it keeps them well managed, so you don't have any problems. So guys, I don't know what you guys think about this. I really like this idea. As you can see, guys, I have, just to mention a few, I have several units that I store. So this is the way I'm going to be storing mine from now on. I may keep a few backups in a bag. Maybe some of my more expensive ones I may keep that I'll take to a stylist. But for the most part, this is the way I'm going to store my units. So even when I'm getting dressed in the morning, I don't have units everywhere. I know exactly what I want to grab, know what I'm feeling like for that day, because my units go by my mood. And I think a lot of ladies, that's the way we pick our units for the day. So you can be versatile. You have some organization. So guys, I hope you like this video. Drop your comments in the comment section below. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. I would love to have you join the Team Creative family. So please like, subscribe, and comment below. And until next time, guys, be blessed. I'll see you in the next video.